Good morning, everyone. Um, I hope you can hear me. Can someone just make a note in the chat to confirm that, please? Nobody is writing in the chat. Ominous. This isn't going to work very well if you can't hear me. Great. Thank you, JLP, whoever you may be. Hey, what's that? It's just a shadow. So it's not yet 7 o'clock, so. Where are you, JLP, if I may inquire? Hi, Curtis. Oregon. Southwest Oregon. It's a few years since I was there, but twice I've driven through that area. Nice. And the last time I was there, I did it all the way on Highway 1 from Santa Barbara to Seattle. Nice road. A driver's road. Curtis, can you send me an email? I've been told you've been trying to contact me on Wire, but I would only see it on Wire by chance because Wire doesn't have any notification system to say people have left you a message. It's one of the weaknesses on there that they did have on Skype. Maybe they'll update it at some point. Thank you. I've also been to Vancouver and to what do they call that little place just up the coast from there? It's a 45-minute flight or a 24-hour drive. Powell River, yeah. From Powell River, somebody took me up to the northern end of Highway 1 where it disappears into the sea. And one of my daughters has, I think, been to the southern end, but I haven't been any further south than Santa Barbara. So 1 minute past. Some people were there, not an enormous number yet. Cheers. A nice cup of tea. If you have any questions at all, you just pop them into the chat while we're waiting. We'll start at 5 past. This is, experience has shown that a lot of people join shortly after the appointed start time. Grants Pass. I've not been to Grants Pass, but I do vaguely remember seeing it on a road sign. Unless I drove through it and didn't really notice that I drove through it. Is it on Highway 1? there anybody there who is not from the US Pacific coast? Oh, hi, Lydia. I'm in Germany right now as well. Whereabouts are you? You know that I'm doing this in German this evening at 19 Uhr Berliner. Yeah, there's a few more people come on, so it's 7 o'clock. Saulheim. I don't know that one. Where is it? From the sound of the name, it's somewhere in the south. Well, yeah, okay. The lower half of Germany, right? Weißt du, dass ich dies in Deutsch um 19 Uhr mache? Ihr beide, Lydia und Tatsat. Good morning, Carson from Hanover. Okay, good. Naja, the score's not gone any higher in the last 2 minutes, so we'll begin. So, just to repeat very quickly the introduction I did yesterday, it's about withdrawing your power from our creation, called the Lords of Darkness. Now, you need to know one particular point on your body, and to find this, you need your hand, left hand or right hand, doesn't matter. And you lay it on your lower abdomen so that your navel, your belly button, is exactly here, just above this finger. And then exactly just below this finger, in the middle of your body, is your power center. In Sanskrit, it's called Hara. Not Hara, that's a German word for hair. Hara. What you do is you visualize the Lords of Darkness, as in the picture I sent you, or the word picture, and you go down using your mental eye to this point in your body, and there you see a tube going from you to the Lords of Darkness, and you reverse the flow. That is, you pull your energy back, and be very clear, you're pulling only your energy back. You're pulling it back to you, into your power center. That's all that we're going to do. And let us begin now. 3, 2, unless anybody's got any quick questions before we start. Hopefully that's clear to everyone. No questions. So let's go. Joint action. Just pull your energy back. And as you do, notice that this energy then flows up and down in your body, strengthening you. Giving you the power to do what you want to do, to be who you want to be. The more of your energy that you pull back, the weaker the lords of darkness become. And as other people pick up on this via the human morphogenetic field, the lords of darkness will be gradually dissolved. As soon as we stop putting our energy into this construct, it disappears back into the nothingness from which it came. Be careful. Just pull your energy back. Don't let it mix with anybody else's energy. Just your own, that which belongs to you. That's more than enough to do everything you want, as long as you have all of it yourself. Your energy feels like you. That's the easiest way to identify it. So anything else, just ignore it. Don't let it come to you. Just take your own, that which belongs to you. Okay, keep practicing that as often as you like, every day. And the more that we do it, the more people will pick up on it via the morphogenetic field and start doing it themselves without really realizing it. We're just changing habit, the habit of feeding the lords of darkness. We're changing it for the habit of feeding yourself, which is a much more useful thing to do, I think. So if you have your own energy, you're clearer, fitter, stronger, and you can achieve much more. And you have much more energy left over to help other people. So just do it. Quick question, quick mention, if I may. I don't know how many people have got the book, The Key to Luck. And this is a book which I wrote a few years ago. It's been reprinted 18 times in Germany. And the second reprint in English is just about due. And this is just a step-by-step guide telling you how to use your power to manifest anything and everything that you want. So that's what the website is called, keytoluck.com. Go and take a look. I think you'll like it. Thank you. Namaste. Any questions, any comments before we go? No? Thank you. Yeah, it does, Curtis. I'll discuss this with you in detail, partially by email, but I think if we make another wire appointment, would be really good. So, yeah. Okay, and for those of you who are in Germany and or want to experience this again this evening, so it's 7 o'clock this evening German time, or Amsterdam time, or whatever. But of course, it will be in German. It won't be in English, but it will be the same thing. If you want to do it, participate in group action. Okie dokie. Thank you. Bye.